Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Error Whisperer channel. So today I am come with a new Unity error and I'll find its solution. So you even somewhere you find this error that's most of people have to face this type of error that assembly asset external dependency editor Google jar resort this. So you when you click on this you will get here, you will goes here. Now let's see this. So you don't have to delete all these things, just the only one and only solution of this error is to solve. You have to update your Google Mobile Ads version. This error may be come when you shift your project from Unity version 2020 2019 sorry 2019 18 or 2020 up to 2022 or 2023. So you have to face these types of errors. So one of there is only one solution of this error. To you have to update your Google Mobile Ads version. Now you can see I have the version 6.0.2, so I have to update it up to 7.4 point something, or according to my ad manager, that what kind of ad manager I have used. So you have it's not too much difficult. You just go to your browsers and type here Google Mobile Ad Manager. So just click here and you can go to this first website. Now just wait and see. Now you can select here Unity setup and then goes to here. You can download it from either GitHub or OpenUPM. So I will download it from GitHub now. So just click it and here you can see you find the 84 releases of Google Mobile Ads Unity. So click on this and it will open this. Now now you can see I have a version 9.0.0, so I don't need this. So I will go scroll down and you can see here 8.5.1, then 8.4, 8.3. You can download anyone accordingly. So I am go here and I want to download 7.4.1 this version. So just simply click on it and start download. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, so I don't need to download it again. So here you can see you can download this zip file. So you can simply right click and extract. Here you can find this Google Mobile Ads version. So just simple you can go to your project and delete these two folders, external dependency manager and Google Mobile Ads. Delete this. It took a while, so wait for it's being deleted now. It will take some time to delete, but you have to wait patiently. It depends upon your PC. So if you have a good PC, yeah, then you will delete this file in very short time. Now my files are deleted. So you can see I don't have any external dependencies and Google Mobile Ad or Google Ad Mob folder. So you just simply go to your download folder and double click on it and it will automatically open in Unity. you can see. Now just wait for a while, it is importing it. Here you can check both external dependency manager and Google Mobile Ads and just click on import. Now it is importing your Google Mobile Ad version 7.4.1. Now it is almost completed. Now check this guys, our all the error are successfully removed, so I don't have a single error here. So it's just a simple, so you have to download, if you have old version of Google Mobile Ads in your project, so you have to update it and then you can successfully remove this error. So please if you like my video, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.